Inceptio is first and foremost a UX-driven software services business. We help businesses across B2B, B2C, startup, SaaS, and large-scale enterprises. We start the journey with all of our clients conducting deep discovery workshops to clearly understand your vision and deliver your business objectives. We offer a range of solutions across technologies and platforms. The 4 pillars of Inceptio's foundation are built around idea, build, sustain, and grow. Our customers trust us because we have startup know-how and corporate experience and maturity. We also offer CTO as a service as a strategic partner to you and your business to help you start up and scale up. We have a proven methodology to take idea to market and deliver technology solutions to over 200 businesses. We believe in creating great customer-centric driven experience through technology and decades of corporate maturity and experience driven with purpose and impact.